Hello friends, welcome back. This video is a continuation of my previous video where I can show you how to use Gantt charts. Now the issue is that this data over here has too many things. I want to get rid of August. So the chart is ready. So when I click this area and I want some points to be added, so I can change here into 5. So it has to be 5. So I can get some more data. But the issue is I just don't want August in the list. So this is the minimum and maximum. Now, if I don't know how to use this, what we can do is like select this and we can copy this and we can paste anywhere. Just we can paste it. Yeah, so this is starting. This is the starting date. So if you go to home and here you can see you can click anywhere here into numbers and date. And if you see the date in this option, it's going to say showing 17th August. But the issue is that I want to start not from August, I want to start from September. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 0, 1, 0, 9, 0, 9. So now again, I can right click here also, format cells, and I can go to general and do OK. So 4480 I want to start from. So I'm going to copy this. And now I'm going to double click here, open this access options. So I want to select from 4480. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this here and hit enter. So now you can see the chart is more flexible now. We can see that August has gone from the list. If you want, you can remove also. You can mine it again. So still October, it's okay. But if you want, you can change here also. You can do the same thing here also. And apart from that, if you want to have more majors also, you can do 3. So you can see the major lines have been. If you want to change the dates into days also, that also you can do here from this side. Instead of months, doing this into date. And again, if you find it too much also, we can make this into uh, 4 of 5. So it will give a more precise date. So I think this video will be useful if you know to do the Gantt charts and how to change the date legends. And I'm going to show you next video on the necessary data selecting in the beginning only. So that will be the same thing with a different style. So I showed you in the previous video how to select one by one color also. If you see, you can double click, single click, then go to colors. From here also you can select. Or you can double click, single click. From here also you can select any color. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.